Hello everyone, my name is Nishay and my first year field placement was at a child welfare agency. We were subcontracted with DHS and I actually ended up getting hired there. So I've been working there for the past couple months as a outcome specialist. And basically my role is to work with the parents of children who are in placement. And I work with them to make sure that they are following a court order and just doing everything that they need to do, whether they have to go to parenting classes or therapy and things like that, just to make sure that they are on track and doing what it is that they need to do to get the children back. What my experience has been like working with families, um, it's pretty stressful, overwhelming because there's always something like coming up. And everything that we do is basically a sense of urgency, and you need to make sure you cross your T's and dot your I's. And I'm learning how to adjust and, work through those barriers, but, it still is a bit overwhelming, and you do get burnt out very fast if you don't, take that time for self-care and, take that time to kind of reflect on yourself and to understand the real reason why you are working with those families. The basic structure of the family system in which I was raised, both of my parents remarried. They've been married for 15 plus years, and I have extended family on both sides. It wasn't always easy, and dealing with those personalities and learning how to adjust to an extended family, but it has definitely gotten better. I have a pretty big family on both sides, with the extended family included. Um, and one role I played in my own family. So I was the middle child on my mother's side and the only girl. And on my father's side, I'm the oldest. So both of my parents, I feel like they was always the hardest on me than they were my siblings. So, they were always pushing me to get good grades, to always work hard, to be independent and just build a strong work ethic and, just make sure I'm always being respectful. And I think that this might impact my work with clients because I have those same high expectations for them. Despite what they have been through, I'm always pushing them and trying to get them to be the best that they can be. I'm not saying that this is a bad thing, but for some, some people aren't going to get it overnight. For some people, it might take longer than others. Any burning questions I have that I hope to have answered. As of right now, I don't have any burning questions, but I'm pretty sure as the weeks go on and as I read and dive more into the material, I'll have many burning questions. But right now, I can't really think of any right now. And that's pretty much it about me. I thank you guys for listening. I thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing everyone else's videos.